Just adjusting my aluminium so my miters are nice. I always bring my aluminium out just a little, like a 1.5 mil. If I have any imperfection, so like that, I have what's called the quirk, and I run around there with my silicone as I'm doing this. The inside there, I do the outside, and it just finishes it off nicely. A little bit of adjustment, always feeling. In tiling, there's a lot of feeling with your fingertips. Like those, touching these miters to make sure they're nice and flush. In about an hour's time, when I'm grouting, I will check these again and making sure that they are not pulling or pushing. You do the final adjustment. Okay people, don't forget to subscribe, watch my videos. You will learn how to tile, I can guarantee it, if you keep watching my videos, because every video there's something to learn. Now that's nice. I'll pull all that plastic off. We'll see you soon. See ya. Bye.